Processing engineers can find, configure, and download Smartflow products on demand on ManifoldBuilder.com, thanks to Berger & Brown Engineering. Here's how to download 3D CAD parts. From the ManifoldBuilder homepage, choose a product you'd like to download. Navigate to the product family you need, knowing you can always go back or return to the homepage if needed. Use the drop-down options on the left to specify your product. If you don't find what you need, you can always contact Berger & Brown for more specialized products. On the right, you see an interactive 3D preview of the designed part as it will appear in your virtual design. To download a free CAD model, click Generate CAD. Choose from over 150 file formats and versions to download the product as a native CAD file. You can also attach a 3D PDF datasheet, which makes sharing product data to non-CAD users easy and fast. Finally, click Start Generation. It's that easy. For more Smartflow products and CAD downloads, go to ManifoldBuilder.com and check out PartSolutions.com to learn how you can deliver on-demand 3D CAD parts to your customers.